special session of the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly today unanimously approves the Constitution 126 Amendment Bill 2019. And Manipur Kabul Union warns against anyone trying to snatch Gangai festival from Kabui community. Hello, welcome to Back News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangtam, bringing you the top stories. Special session of the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly today unanimously approved the Constitution 126 Amendment Bill 2019. At the onset of this session, Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren moved the House to ratify the Constitution 126 Amendment Bill 2019, which was passed in the recent winter session of the Parliament. All the members present in the special session gave unanimous ratification of the bill, following which the State Legislative Assembly adjourned sine die. The special assembly session was convened for just 1 minute and 42 seconds. President of Manipur Kabui Union, Dr. K. Hira Kabui, today announced that Kanji community has boycotted President of Zaliarong Union, Amu Kame, permanently for trying to snatch the Gangai festival from the Kabui community and for trying to annihilate the community. Manipur Kabui Union, All Manipur Kabui Women's Organization and Kabui Samiti Manipur organized a press meet regarding the same at Keshamthong Kabui Community Hall today. Speaking to media, Dr. K. Hira stated that the Kabui community strongly condemns Amu Kame for his remarks about the Gangai festival, which he expressed on media on January 4th. He firmly declared that Gangai festival is the festival of the Kabui community and not of the Zaliarong community. He said the Kabui community does not belong to the Zaliarong community. Dr. Hira warned that legal actions will be taken against Amu Kame if he continued to sabotage the Gangai festival. On the other hand, Dr. Hira appreciated Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren for recognizing the Gangai festival of the Kabui community and for handing over the responsibility for holding the state-level Gangai celebration of Manipur Kabui Union. The president of Manipur Kabui Union appealed to everyone to partake in the state-level Gangai festival to be held at Sawungbung Kabui village on January 8. He also appealed to trade unions to relax the nationwide ban called on the same day for festival goers.
Gangai sigi matangda jerenglong tawgadabani haibdo Kabui Purupti, Jerenglong the Yaude, Naga the Su Yaudrabani, Yunsegi Chepong Amada February, November 15, 2018 da, Ponghiba Chepong Aduda, Kabui Purup Yaudrabani, Kabui di Kabui Oina, Sengne, Manipur the Hingjagani, Manipurgi, Asengba indigenous ni. Mahana 20 January Mamangi Kumai 2019 da. Kabui Purup che Puimai Longmaina Singre, replace Dokre Hype Aranbani, Mahak fundamental right Kangarabani, Mahapu Ekoi, Kabui Purup Mayam China, condemn Towi, Matung da Mahana Tobatar, the Mahaki Matakta legal action logani.
Works Minister Thongam Biswajit has released New Year 2020 decks and wall calendars of Mission for Economic Empowerment of Traditional Artisans and Craftsmen, MITAG. Minister Biswajit released the calendars at his quarter in Sanjin-thong today. Speaking on the occasion, Works Minister Biswajit stated that MITAG started with an aim to promote the state's talented artisans and craftsmen. He asserted that various handloom and handicraft products manufactured under the initiative of MITAG will popularize the state in the country and the world. Chairman of Babon Technical and Skill Development PTSD Private Limited, Naurem Nabachandra, appealed to every employed individuals to maintain their professional ethics in whatever fields they may be. He was speaking at the certificate distribution ceremony for the 7th batch of skill trainings under BTSD. MSDD Additional Chief Secretary Led Kochin Haukip, IAS MSDD Joint Director Asdi Bochoba and Tamenglong ADC Chairman Asin graced the event held at BTSD campus in Lamsang, Lamding Kuno. Nabachandra stated that BTSD has been providing skill trainings to youths in various fields, irrespective of their educational qualifications, and has provided them with job placement. He is sure to continue to do the same.
Manipur sida isa na lari hairagasu lari haitragasu aikoi economy sound oinabagidamukta aikoi thabak suba darkar yamna maru oi haina logjai mipung khodimak isana thabak suningagasu isagi thabak sunangai profession ena haitragadi suba ngamoidaba mayamdu ngasi aigi center asida training piraga mana chana ba trade electrician plumber mason front office na chingbosi mayam chakona piraga masana masa thau pijana ba panam thamjabane maramaduna aikoi manipur da leba iramdam da leba youth singje maru oina thabak thibada aikoi Mangaga economic wabagi hainabi tadosi aikogi society dang asil lairiba myoisingsi ayamba samara sama thabo hairaga chu suning dabagi hainabi ama aikogi lai masidi aikoi punamak masid ngasi aiban namisdagi youthing da masid tado haningi.
On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on launching of Excite Neo by Radiant E-Ride. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Afternoon News. Radiant E-Ride, a unit of Radiant Group, launched an e-rickshaw named Excite Neo, manufactured by India's largest selling battery company, Excite Industries today. Senior General Manager of Special Projects, Excite Industries Limited, Kanaj Sanyal, brand ambassador of Radiant E-Ride, actor Gurumayum Boni, and Radiant Group Managing Director Nepram Romeo jointly launched the e-rickshaw and Radiant E-Ride showroom located at Ghari Awang Lekha Airport Road.
Electric rickshaw ki popularity je noma gi hengalak pase ure yam nungaiba amani mase maroina Manipur gumba economy gi aduga environment da noma gi social lakpagi awaba lairiba state sida ado Hojik anauba gari mamuk launch store pa hanagi sidagi hena papangan kanba gari muk launch store pa masima suyamuk laibuk phabane ado anauba launch store iba gari si mayamna soidana pamba aduga Manipur gi economy ga suyamna sunaba mo hoini na khanje.
Asha Kiran Konsam has bagged the WEAA India Awards 2020. She received the award at a ceremony held on the theme Women Empowerment at Stardom Resort in Jaipur yesterday. Asha Kiran Konsam, wife of R.K. Pabitra from Nagamapal, Phagwai Sangbam Laikai in Imphal West, was conferred the award in recognition for her contribution in the field of Zumba and fitness training. Lemai Daisy bagged the title of first ever Miss Singju Queen 2020 yesterday. Nehoi Ching Chongloi and Valentina Wahengbam bagged the first and second runner-up title. Sana Lembi Maibam secured best catwalk title, Nancy Kumam Them best photogenic, Sagol Sem Urmila best personality, and Lai Mayum Saroja bagged the best discipline title. Renowned designer Karan Thokchom bagged the best design award. It may be mentioned that 25 contestants auditioned for the contest at Hotel Imphal on December 30, 2019, out of which 16 contestants were selected to compete for the coveted title. And now the sports news. Mohan Bagan defeated Real Kashmir by 2-0 in a match of the ongoing Hero I-League played at Srinagar's TRC turf ground yesterday. The winning goals were scored by Jusoba Bieta and Nongdamba Naurim at the 72nd and 73rd minute, while the second league match played between Indian Arrows and Neroka FC resulted in 1-1 draw at Goa Tilak Maidan. For Indian Arrows, Bikram Pratap Singh scored 1 goal at 42nd minute, and for Neroka FC, Sushil Maite scored a lone goal at the 24th minute of the match. Tra FC will play against Neroka FC at Imphal's Kuman Lampak Stadium at 2 p.m. on January 8. Orissa will play against Chennai in FC in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 at Odisha's Kalyani Stadium at 7:30 tonight. In yesterday's league match played at Kerala's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Kerala Blasters defeated Hyderabad FC by 5-1. For the winners, Bartholomew Ogbeche scored 2 goals at 33rd and 73rd minute, while Vlatko Drobarov, Rafael Messi Bauli and Satyasen Singh scored 1 goal each at 39th, 45th and 59th minute. The lone goal of the losing team was scored by Bobo at 14th minute of the match. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Special session of the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly today unanimously approves the Constitution 126th Amendment Bill 2019. And Manipur Kabui Union warns against anyone trying to snatch Gangai festival from Kabui community.